Today I'd like to share with you the everyday cutting tools from Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is their 45mm rotary cutter, and I think these tools are just super fantastic. They also have a line of scissors and even a cute mini rotary cutter. So let's take a look at these and you'll see why I just love these cutting tools from Missouri Star. First, let's take a look at the rotary cutters that are available in the Everyday Tools collection from Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is the 60mm rotary cutter. This rotary cutter is affectionately named Greta by Missouri Star. What makes these rotary cutters unique is that they have a bearing inside them that helps with the rolling. Plus, they have just a really good feel in the hand. Now, this is the 45mm named Olga. And there's also a 28mm rotary cutter that I don't have. In addition to the rotary cutters, they have scissors. These are their 8-inch scissors named Amelia. And their 6-inch scissors named Lulla. And they even carry a 4-inch pair of scissors named Elna. Now, I use these Elna scissors every day. I keep a pair handy right beside my sewing machine. The scissors are just great for snipping threads, clipping corners, trimming seams. So let's take a deeper look at the rotary cutters first. First up, I'm using the Olga 45mm rotary cutter. This is the rotary cutter that I use most often. One of the things that you want to keep in mind when you're using a rotary cutter is that the rotary cutter should kind of be an extension of your arm. So when you're using the rotary cutter, you shouldn't have your wrist bent too much. You should just hold it so that your wrist, your hand, and the cutter are all in a straight line. Well, now I'm using the 60mm rotary cutter, and I typically use this rotary cutter when I have thicker fabrics, bulky fabrics, foam, things like that that I would like to cut. But the blades on these rotary cutters are super sharp. They just glide through the fabric. I really do love them. Now this little guy is the mini folding rotary cutter. It uses a 28mm blade. And it is great to keep handy by your sewing machine, especially if you're a quilter and you've got those little dog ears to trim off or just small spaces that a little small rotary cutter would come in handy. It has a little push button that you push and then you can close the blade and it stays secure. You have to push the push button to actually open it. Missouri Star also sells replacement blades, 28mm, 45, and 60. Now let's take a look at their scissors. First, we have the 8-inch Amelia scissors. These I use every day for cutting fabric when I don't want to use my rotary cutter. They just glide through fabric, and again, they have a really great feel. They have these little grippies inside the finger and the thumb, so it keeps the scissors from moving around on your hands. They also have the 6-inch scissors, which are called Lulla, and they're great for smaller fabrics that you need to trim, a good travel size. And then they also have the Elna scissors. And like I said earlier, I keep this little pair of 4-inch scissors right beside my sewing machine, so they're always handy for me to use for trimming threads. Now, these scissors all come with a little sheath that goes over the tips or the blades of the scissors. It's a nice little sturdy plastic tip that just slides on and snaps into place. I really love that feature about these scissors. And they also come in a reusable case, as you saw earlier, that even has a little hanging loop if you choose to hang them. Same with the rotary cutters. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you have questions about the everyday tools from Missouri Star, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be glad to answer them. And please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my newsletter so you'll be the first to know when there are new sewing tips, ideas, and patterns made available. And be sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.